Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel for nurses preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. This is class number 18 for all the type of nursing recruitment exams 2020. Today we are discussing about skeletal system, in which we are discussing all the 206 bones of human body. Let's begin. In human body, skeletal system contains 206 bones total. For the study purpose, we can classify our skeletal system in two parts: axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. Let's have a review about axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. Axial skeletal system contains total 80 bones, 80 bones. The bones are bones of skull, auditory ossicles, hyoid, vertebrae column bones, rib cage bones. In appendicular skeletal system, it contains 126 bones, 126 bones total. The bones are pectoral girdle bones, upper extremity bones, pelvic girdle bones, and the lower extremity bones. Let's first discuss about the axial skeletal system. Axial skeleton system of human body contains total 80 bones. First discuss about skull bone. Skull contains 22 bones. It includes 14 facial bones plus 8 cranial bones. The facial bones are 2 maxillae bones, 2 nasal bones, 2 palatine bones, 1 vomer bone, 2 zygomatic bone, 1 mandible bone, 1 lacrimal bone, and 2 inferior nasal coccygeal bone. Bones of cranium are 1 frontal bone, 2 parietal bones, 1 occipital bone, 2 temporal bone, 1 sphenoid bone, 1 ethmoid bone. Axial skeletal system includes auditory ossicles also. Auditory ossicles are found in the ear. They are helpful in the hearing process. Total 6 auditory ossicles are there. 2 malleus. Malleus bones are also known as hammer-shaped bone, 2 incus, and 2 stapes bone. Stapes bone is the smallest bone of our body. Hyoid bone, 1 in number. Our vertebrae column contains 26 bones and it is also a part of axial skeletal system. The bones of vertebrae column are 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 1 sacrum, and 1 coccyx. Also included in axial skeletal system, it contains total 25 bones, 24 ribs bones, and 1 sternum bone. Let's talk about the appendicular skeletal system. Appendicular skeletal system contains total 126 bones, 126 bones. First, let's talk about pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is a part of appendicular skeletal system. It includes 4 bones, 2 scapula bones and 2 clavicle bones. Clavicle bone is known as beauty bone, where scapula is known as shoulder blade. Pectoral girdle is a area near shoulder. Now let's talk about upper extremity or upper limbs. Our both upper extremity or hands contain total 60 bones, 30 bones in each extremity. The bones are 2 humerus bones, 2 radius bones, 2 ulna bones, 16 carpals bone, 10 metacarpal bones, 28 phalanges. Upper extremity portion, students have much confusion with the metacarpal, phalanges and carpal bones. To make it easy to understand, we have drawn the image of left hand with the bones location. The bones that are found in the wrist region known as carpal bones. They are 18 numbers. You can see in the picture, these are drawn with the yellow color. The bone found between phalanges and carpals known as metacarpal bones. These are 5 in number. They are shown in the diagram with brown color. And the last, phalanges, they are total 14 in number. They are shown in the diagram with white color. In our thumb, 2 phalanges are found. Other 4 fingers have 3 phalanges each. Let's revise it again. All the bones of upper extremity, total 60 bones are there. 30 bones in each upper extremity present. 2 humerus bones are there. Humerus bone is found between shoulder and elbow. Radius and ulna, both bones come parallel to each other. They connect, they are found between elbow and wrist. Carpal bones are situated in the wrist. Metacarpal is found between carpal and phalanges bones. Phalanges bones are 28 in total number, found just distal to the hands. There are total 8 carpal bone in each hand. These carpal bones are arranged in proximal row and distal row. The name of all the 8 carpal bones are: in proximal row, scaphoid, lunate bone, triquetral, pisiform. In the distal row, name of carpal bones are hamate bone, capitate, trapezoid, trapezium. Now let's talk about the bones of pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is a part of pelvis. The pelvic girdle contains 2 inanimate bones. Now let's talk about the bones of lower extremity or the bones of leg. There are total 60 bones in lower extremities, 30 bones in each extremity or leg. The bones are 2 femur bones, 2 tibia bones, 2 fibula bones, 2 patella bones, 14 tarsal bones, 10 metatarsal bones, 28 phalanges. To clear the confusion for the location of tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges bones, we have drawn a diagram of right foot. In this diagram, we have drawn all the 3 bones in different color with their number and location. The bones just upon the heel shown in the diagram with white color known as tarsal bone. There is total 7 tarsal bone present in each leg. Metatarsal are the bones that connect tarsal and phalanges bones. They are total 5 in color. These are drawn with the yellow color. Phalanges bones are total 14 in number. These are shown with the brown color. Our toe contains 2 phalanges and other 4 fingers contain 3 phalanges bone each. Let's revise it again. Lower extremity bones. Their total 60 bones are present in lower extremity, 30 bones in each lower extremity. There are 2 femur bones present. Femur bone is the longest and strongest bone of our body that is found between the lower back and between knee. Tibia and fibula, both bones are found parallel to each other, that is located between knee and heel. Patella is also known as kneecap. They are 2 in number, just found upon the knees. Tarsal, total 14 in numbers. They are found in the heel area of the foot. Metatarsal are found between tarsals and phalanges. They are total 10 in number. Phalanges are the distal bones of lower extremity. They are total 28 in number. Friends, this was our today's video from anatomy subject, 206 total bones of human body. I hope you have learned all the important bones name, location, number. If you think this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Its name For Nurses Preparation for more such interesting videos. All the best.